Dear friends, my name is Emmanuel. I am a student of history. I am especially interested to find out what is the problem of history, where history is being diverted, hidden, crippled, or hijacked. In that effort, there are many things to say, but to cut short of my discussion, I want to tell you about some incidents in a princely state called Travancore in India. This is one of the highly developed places in India or states in India whose historicity is going to many centuries ahead even of Africa. Anyway, I am starting with the incidents which has happened in around 1725 period. The kingdom was becoming big. The crown prince was running helter-skelter and he was searching his blood relation of Nadalwars or Santors to save his life. Finally, one Anandapadmanabhan Nadar gives him shelter and he fights many wars and he is made the king of Wayanad in 1729 AD. Lot of things happen. Many influence of the Brahmins and Namboodiris, Ettuvitil Pulamar, all these are filled in the history of Travancore with the intervention of a complex society. Anyway, in the year 1750, that Anandapadmanabhan was killed by poison, and the King Martandavarma surrenders his kingdom. He sold everything to Sri Padmanabha, the deity of the rulers. Lot of Brahmanic advice is observed in this decision. Anyway, there was a system that time to feed the Brahmins. In Kerala, that means in Travancore, there were so many halls. A hall which can contain even 5,000, 7,000, 10,000 people of Brahman caste. They have to be fed every day with high quality of food for the, as per belief, for the blessing of gods to the country. That is one side. And the newly coming power, that is the British, that is in another side. In 1795, one agreement was made with the British. The same agreement is revised in 1805. These are all meant lot of money to be paid to the British. So the financial condition of the land was going weaker. And there have been lot of exploitation from many sources. It is very difficult to pinpoint which are the sources. But the Sanskritation of the culture and the governance which is taking shape in the country, where the root cause, the king observed what is happening. He has surrendered the kingdom and sold. He cannot fight again to expand his kingdom. The financial position is going down. What can be done? So he is becoming old, weaker, and another king is coming, the Dharmaraja. So in his almost deathbed, in the situation, newly developed situation, Martanda Varma is advising to Dharmaraja to safeguard his family, the royal family, the Sandors, the Tirupapu Nadans. Because in history we find the Tirupapu Nadans were the rulers of Travancore, Chera dynasty. What he advised, our financial condition is going down like this. Moreover, British is surrounding us. They are squeezing us. So what can be done? Our family, our kith and kins are going to be ruined. So you do one thing, implement certain things. You safeguard the prosperity and safety of your relatives. One portion in the 7th division of the Kulachal Pagudi, that is Eranial Palace, Udayagiri Fort, some thousands of acres, trade centers of Kanyakumari district, and one palace in Trivandrum, all these things you give to your son. And another place, another section, the whole treasure contained in the Padmanabha Swami temple should be given to your sister. And also the tax collecting right with the symbol of Travancore, the shank, that must be also given to your sister. Her name was Vannichi Ammal. So the king dies, and the next king, Kartika Tirunal, peacefully lives, and for a long time he rules for 40 years. Towards the end of his period, he makes this covenant with these two families, Kulachal, that is Eranial Palace, as well as in Vanniyur to Vannichivalli. A very envious Pilamar and Namboodiris and all this section of people join with British, and they instigate, including a Christian, Mathu Taragan. They make plans. The whole country is going to be in the hands of the Sandors. It should not be allowed. So what they make plan, first kill the king, then kill Vannichi. So make the plan, they kill the next king, his son, that is Ramavarma Nayan. They also make plan to kill Vannichi Ammal. They also try to destroy. There was a huge temple, Kambanadan temple in Vanniyur. That was also encroached. You know how this happened? It happens in a very peculiar way, instigated by British. How this has happened, I will read certain pages here from the archives found out by Dr. Sovanan from his research for his PhD thesis in 1977. First, how they make the plan. I will read one portion. It is taken from the archives. I quote, when the well-known superpowers of India like Mysore, Hyderabad, Bengal, Orissa, etc. have understood the great supremacy and power of the Royal British Raj, this tiny kingdom of Travancore king alone is trying to defy us and thinks that he can exist without our great support. How dares he to resist the British? What does it indicate? It indicates Rama Nayan was total and total. He was against the policies of British. That is the reason they want to kill him. And how they kill, there is another quotation I am giving you. That is also from the archives. I quote, next he, that is Resident Monroe. Resident Monroe conspired against the life of the Maharaja. Colonel Monroe prevented the Raja's physician from attending him, but employed one doctor who gave him medicine which, instead of curing him of his sickness, increased it, evacuating the body by stool, so that he died on 7/11/1810. This is taken from the Political Consultation, Volume 1, 125, and folios 3, 5, 4, 1, etc. from the PhD thesis of Dr. Sovan. See how goes wrong and wrong the history of Travancore. In first case, it belongs to the Sandors. There are a lot of proof for that. And secondly, who are the involving people? Christians are there, Hindus are there, Namburi is there, Etu Diplam are there. So many, all making treachery, traitors against the community Nadas. From their time onwards, Nadas are thrown out of the temple, thrown out of their properties. The king's wife and children were driven away from the Eranial palace. The state, the nation, which was once the land of gods, has come to an end, to the injustice to be forgotten once for all. Who will reconstruct it? Who will reconstruct it if you sleep? Will it be possible to reconstruct it? You have to do positive research. You have to do truthful research. You have to do where the secret is lying, bring it back. That is your duty, do it. Thank you very much.